Deputy Nolan has walked a very fine line here this afternoon. And what you're calling for effectively is a cap on immigration and a cap on asylum into this country. Let's be clear, I'm calling that out. That's what you're calling for. We will not support that. And we will not support a cap on Ukrainians coming in here who are fleeing a war that has been vested upon them through no fault of their own. And most parties, actually all parties that I know of, maybe with the exception of you and your colleagues, support that approach. And does it provide challenges for us? Of course it does. Do the Irish people realise that? Yes, of course they do. This is a welcoming country, and we've known over our history as a people where we've had to seek safe harbour all across the world, and where we were treated very badly as well as citizens in some of those countries. We're not going to allow that happen here in Ireland. And our Housing for All plan is robust and will deliver the houses that we need. And in addition to that, the provision of longer-term accommodation and housing for Ukrainians is in addition to that. And indeed those who are seeking safe harbour from the Middle East, from Africa and other places. Do you want to draw a distinction between who comes in here? Is that what you're asking to do? Because we won't go down that line.